So my name is Eugene Kirpichov, and I'm a senior software engineer at Google working on Cloud Data Flow and Apache Beam. So I'm absolutely in love with data processing and with beautiful programming abstractions and with my team. So for me, this is a good chance to share that love and share my fascination with the programming model that has come out of many years of work of our team. So I'm hoping to get people excited about that. I think this model is really beautiful. I'm hoping that it will have a similar effect on the data processing industry as the MapReduce paper once did. Also, since the Beam project is open source, I'm also excited to invite people to join its ecosystem. Yeah, these are the main exciting parts, so it's a big honor and big responsibility to be here and make sure that I share all these ideas in ways that stick. So to me, the most exciting part about data is the techniques of processing it, since that's what I'm working on. And to me, it's fascinating how difficult it is to do everything right in a distributed data processing system. For example, the project that I'm mainly working on, we just published a blog post about it yesterday. It's called No Shard Left Behind. It's about dynamic worker balancing in data flow. When I joined the team and I was tasked with starting this project, I was wondering, why isn't everybody doing this? It seems so simple. Now, 3 years later, I know why. So it's very interesting how much you can keep pushing the boundaries of data processing, how many challenges there are and how interesting they are to solve, and how interesting it is to debug all this. So I think this is one of the most interesting areas of software engineering, making this kind of systems. I think that would be to never settle when asking for more from your programming abstractions. The Beam programming model itself is the result of multiple steps of that. First, refusing to settle for the low-level API of MapReduce, then refusing to settle for approximate results when computing over streams, then refusing to settle for writing different code when processing batch and streaming, then refusing to settle for having to deploy and manage your infrastructure with data flow, and finally Apache Beam is the result of also refusing to settle for lock-in into one platform, because it runs over any platform. I think again I'm going to switch this to the question of becoming a data processing engine developer, because that's what's most close to me. For me, the path was relatively straightforward. I just got fascinated with this topic and I kept learning more about it from blogs and papers published by various companies dealing with big data, including Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and others. So I kept learning their blogs and papers and kept learning more and getting more excited, and eventually I learned enough to end up at this team.